I'm Marissa, and that's Nick. We're high school sweethearts who love to travel. We're also professional photographers and videographers based out of Massachusetts, specializing in weddings and music videos. After being in lockdown for over a year because of the 2020 pandemic, we are so ready to get out of the house and see some new and familiar places. Welcome to I Just Want to Travel.
Washing is right there. Take a wash.
I need a wash.
Morning, it is the next day, and we went ahead and finished our Winnie the Pooh puzzle. I mean, Lego. I said puzzle because last time we were doing a puzzle and I was very frustrated with it, but we finally finished Winnie the Pooh. Look how cool that is. Let me get closer. Nick decided to put Pooh in the tree, which I think was such a good idea. These guys are just hanging out in the front, and then you can spin it around. Piglets inside. We got a little kitchen, bedroom, bunch of honey, and then this closes. So yes, that is what we have been doing this morning. Let me show you how much snow we got. We probably already saw it from last night, but the light is out, the sun, it's blue skies. There's the final amount, you guys. It looks absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, just look at that. I did put something out on Instagram asking if someone wanted to do photos today. I've gotten one, I wish I was on the Cape. One, can you do tomorrow? I've gotten a family inquiry. So we'll see if we get out there today. But it is really cold. It's like 10 degrees outside today. So maybe tomorrow would be better. So who knows? I might have a session tomorrow. Alright, go for it. Yeah, it's perfect. Hi guys, we're doing a shoot and it's going amazing. But for now, I'm gonna have him sit down in the snow and take some like straddle photos. Careful, Nick, careful.
Thank you.
Yay, thank you guys.
That was so fun. No, thank you. This is super fun.
Today, we did a snowy photo shoot. So the other day, bye.
You're welcome. Bye, guys.
That was them, they're leaving. But yeah, a few days ago we had a blizzard, so we had a lot of snow here. And then I put out a thing saying, who wants to do snowy photos? Someone replied, and here we are, and we did it, and it was amazing. It was so much fun. But I put my cameras away, and I think we're gonna go down the hill a few times because we haven't been sledding in a while, so.
All right, y'all ready?
We're going down this first hill.
To get to the second hill.
Yeah, and we're on the phone, by the way. Oh!
Yeah, see, we just have to not hit trees.
This is dangerous.
Just don't hit a tree.
How? How do you not hit a tree?
Just miss them.
How? How? He somehow wants me not to hit this, like he wants me to go in between these two trees.
Yes. You ready?
No, I think this might be deadly. That was a good one. I'm pretty sure I was really concerned.